Good morning. It's nice and sunny out this morning. The sun is just getting up, and I figured today, rather than going for a normal run that I do on Saturdays, we go for a little hike. It is spring and we've had some pretty great weather lately. It is supposed to heat up in the coming week, but right now it's just right. So we're gonna get us some elevation and see some views as well. So let's get on going. Observatory! Made it up here. 2 miles up, and then 2 miles down.
You're feeling dry. Can you
Good job, Celine.
Thank you.
Good job. Saying hi to an old friend. We made it down 4 miles. It's a good practice hike for at least my Camino. Celine's here with me today.
My second time in my life.
Her second time in her life hiking. I'm so proud of her today. Alrighty friends, back from our hike. We did a good 4-mile loop today. We went close to Captain's Roost in Mount Hollywood, passing through the Griffith Observatory and back. So it was a good round. We did have some amazing weather today. It did rain yesterday, so I think it cleared out all the smog and the, you know, other things that aren't good in the air. So appreciative about that. Special thank you to my bestie Celine for coming along with me today, and hopefully she'll come with me on the next one, so we'll see. But as you know, I am doing the Camino de Santiago, so I'm trying to get more elevation in my training, so hence why I'm going on more hikes. So in these next coming weeks, we'll have a few more to go on, so I'm looking forward to taking you guys with me, so stay tuned. But thank you for coming along with us today. We hope you had a good and relaxing time. But for now, I'm gonna finish up our post-hike snack here and just relax for the rest of the day. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.